This is for the ones who are soul tired, the ones who have prayed and still hear silence, the ones who wonder if God has forgotten them. If that is you today, this story is for you. Elijah was a prophet of God. He stood before 450 false prophets. He prayed, and fire fell from heaven. An entire people fell to the ground and said, "The Lord, He is God." Then a queen named Jezebel sent him a message. She said, "By tomorrow, you will be dead." Elijah ran. The same man who watched fire fall from heaven ran. He went into the wilderness, alone. He sat down under a small tree. He prayed, but not a prayer of faith, a prayer of exhaustion. He said, "It is enough, Lord. Take my life. I am not better than my fathers." Then he lay down under that tree, and he slept. Maybe you know that place. You have done the right things. You have prayed. You have kept going. And still, the fear came. The silence came. The weight came. And now you are tired. Not weak, tired. There's a difference. Elijah was not broken beyond repair in that moment. He was not faithless. He was human. Completely, honestly human. And God knew it. God always knows it. You have been carrying something heavy, something that was never meant to stay this long. But hear this. God did not leave Elijah in the wilderness. He has not left you either. 1 Kings 19. The angel of the Lord touched him and said, "Arise and eat." There was bread, baked on coals, a jar of water beside his head. The angel came a second time and said, "Get up. The journey is too great for you." Then God spoke, not in the great wind that tore the mountains, not in the earthquake, not in the fire. After the fire, a still small voice. Notice something important. God did not speak in the drama. He spoke in the quiet. He is still speaking in yours. If you are in the wilderness today, maybe God is not asking you to perform right now. Maybe He's asking you to rest, to eat, to drink, to be still, because the journey ahead is too great to walk empty. God did not end Elijah's story under that tree. He fed him. He restored him. He gave him a new mission. Your story is not over either. The silence is not his absence. The rest is not defeat. It is preparation. Today, when the weariness speaks, choose to be still. Not because the battle is over, but because the God who fed Elijah with bread in the wilderness is still with you. You are not forgotten. You are not finished. God found Elijah in the wilderness. He will find you there too. Be still. Let Him speak. Something good is coming. If this reached you today, share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe. More encouragement is on the way.